Jai Sriman Aranyakanda. And at that time I didn't realize what is Rama's valor. So that is why I felt like, this boy cannot do anything to me. I felt like that. I did not even care Rama. But Rama has taken his dhanusu, tena muktaha, tato banasitaha. He shooted a very sharp arrow to me. With that, I was thrown away. Kshiptaha samudre setayojane. I was kicked away. I was thrown away so many hundreds of miles away into the ocean. Ravana, that time Rama was not willing to kill me. Na ichchata mam hantum. That is why I am still alive today. Oh Ravana, the velocity of his arrow is unlimited and very scary, very dreadful. I still remember that. Oh Ravana, when I was thrown like that, I just went into unconscious. Patitoham tadatena gambhire sagarambhasi. I was thrown into the deeper levels of ocean and I gone conscious. Finally, I came into my senses. Then I arrived to Lankapuri. Ravana, at that time, again and again I am repeating to you, at that time Rama was still a very young boy. He did not even graduated in his archery at that time. He was still learning. But without even putting so many efforts, Rama could throw away me to that many miles away. Why I am saying all these things to you, Ravana? Hoping that even after giving you this many details, you would stop going against Rama. If you don't do that, I am telling you, in these three worlds, nobody can save you. Like this, Maricha again and again giving the detailed picture of Rama's strength to Ravana. Maricha is now talking to Ravana, saying that, oh Ravana, even after I tell you about Rama's valor so much, if you do not listen to me, Karishyasya apadam ghoram, you are going to be getting into dreadful, terrible troubles. Not only that, oh Ravana, along with you, the entire Lanka is going to be destroyed. Now all the people in Lanka, they are enjoying all kind of pleasures. They are celebrating their festivals. They are happy. But now what you are going to be doing with your action now, with your decision, you are going to bring all of them into these troubles. Just because of just one Sita, oh Ravana, you are going to destroy the entire Lanka Nagaram. Lanka is so beautiful, Ravana. Lanka is filled up with so many beautiful buildings, palaces, and it is all filled up with so many golden ornaments, pearls, gems, and it is always decorated. Such a very wealthy Lanka is going to be completely destroyed just because of one Sita. For Ravana, you know what? If there is a small pond in which there are snakes, along with snakes there will be some small fishes also. But crows comes to that pond to get serpents, to get snakes. While eating snakes, these fishes also will be eaten by crows. Crows would not be intending to eat fishes, but while eating serpents, these fishes also will go into the mouth of crows. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman-Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman-Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.